Hey everyone, okay, so here's the thing. You've applied your foundation and something is just wrong. Maybe it's a little streaky, maybe it's sitting in your pores, maybe it looks like a mask you should just peel off. The first instinct, of course, is to just wipe it off and start again, but don't do that. So here's a trick that will save it. Grab a beauty blender. You gotta make sure it's damp. Make sure it's really damp. Now, start pressing it all over your skin. You want to gently bounce it over the foundation that you've already applied. Now what this does, and this is what beauty blenders do perfectly, is it actually picks up excess product. And then it just kind of melts seamlessly into the skin. The streaks disappear, the texture softens. And suddenly it looks like you have perfect skin and not perfect makeup. And if you want to lock it in, take the tiniest amount of setting powder on that same damp beauty blender and just press it over the top. It's the difference between your foundation that sits on the skin and foundation that actually looks like it is your skin, which is the goal. So before you give up, wash your face, remember this very simple step because it really does work and it will completely change your cakey makeup game. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe. I've run out of ways to look humble about it.